have 2 banana and 2 egg. This one is for my breakfast today. Guys, this one banana, I removed the cover skin. This one. Yes, you remove this one. Okay. Two banana. Yes. Na-remove na natin yung 2 banana, guys. Gagawa tayo ng pancake. Okay? I have 2 eggs, 2 banana. Then, after that, guys, this egg, I can mix. Yes. Cover ng eggs. So, guys, remove natin. I have 2 eggs. Okay? That mix. I-mix natin, guys, yan. Mix this egg. Okay? So, guys, I have egg and banana. Okay? Napipit na natin yung ating banana. Okay? Ay lalagay na natin ang ating eggs here. Okay? Yan yung ating binating itlog. Okay? Yan. Tapos, yan na lang natin, guys. I-mix lang natin siya. Mix well. Okay? Yung banana with egg. I-mix lang natin. I-mix siya. Medyo may ano na siya, guys. Yung banana matamis-tamis na siya. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng sugar, little bit, 1 tablespoon of sugar, pwede. Para medyo matamis to. Kaya matamis na yung banana, guys. Kaya hindi na natin nilagyan ng sugar. No sugar siya, guys, kasi banana is sweet. Only egg and banana lang. Okay. So, guys, naglagay tayo ng mantika dyan. Pwede rin butter, guys, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng butter. Okay, na mainit na yung mantika na, guys. Ilalagay na natin yung ating dinurog na saging with egg. Okay, ilalagay natin yan sa pan. Mas maganda siguro, guys, pag butter. Butter. So, guys, this finished product of cooking today. Banana with egg. Okay, fried. I drink coffee because I love coffee, guys. This one. What is coffee? This is a Korean coffee, guys. Masim. Yes, Masim. Green coffee. Then mix well. This is my breakfast today, coffee with banana. Okay.